Hi everyone, my name is Daveyuanna Hendricks, and today I'm going to share a few things that got me through CBSE. So first thing was to actually utilize Anki, and not just the Anki decks that are out there in preparation for step one, which are wonderful, Melman, step one high yield, Ankiing, but create your own deck and do a deck based on information you're getting wrong in question stems. And so I did that, and I was constantly reviewing what I didn't quite understand and giving myself time to go back. And I really think that made a huge difference and would highly recommend it. Okay, point number 2 is to utilize the school resources. Trinity genuinely cares about us. They really want us to do well, and it's reflected in how they've organized our study space. There's free coffee, there's snacks, there's things that make us laugh on the walls. It's just really, really awesome. So that's another key. Utilize the resources. There's also access to the deans, which is wonderful. So if you need to make a study schedule or you need help figuring out how to boost your score, they're there on site. And lastly, probably most importantly, is to actually keep a positive mindset and outlook. Surround yourself around people that are going to speak life into you and speak life into yourself as you're walking through study preparation. It's not easy, but it's doable and you can do this. I kept telling myself that I could do this, that I was going to pass the exam, and I think that made a difference.